Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of hair that I bought on AliExpress. I was trying to wait to do this video to actually unbox it, but I had to take a sneak peek. So they delivered it, obviously, FedEx. The hair was by KRN Official Hair Store. This is the box that it came in. Are you guys ready? Are you excited to see what's inside? So this is the packaging that it came in. It also comes with a leave-in cap and a little Ziploc, hairnet. This is it. So it's a 24-inch Brazilian body wave. Taking out the package, it doesn't have any smell. Not sure if it's shedded. I can tell. Okay, yeah, it does shed just a little, 2 strands. I don't know if it's because it's colored hair, but to me it kind of looks, I don't know, like not dry, but you know when hair is colored, it just looks a little bit drier than most. I'm just going to assume it's because of the color, but otherwise from that, I loved it. So the density is 130%. I was going to get a thicker density. I was going to get 150, which the difference to pay for it was 35. The seller sent me like the link to pay the extra 35, but I couldn't get it to work. And then I was like, you know what, never mind. I'll just take the 130 density. And surprisingly to me, it's thick. Thicker than what I thought it was going to be. So it's just the lace front. It has straps and combs inside. It's on a medium cap, and I did ask for it to be on a light brown cap. That's why my cap's so light. So, okay, so I wanted to have like all the right information, so that's what I'm looking down at. So I ordered it on the 19th. I ordered it like 10 o'clock at night. So the processing for like the payment came out the next day. It was like a 24-hour confirmation time. I paid $2.24 and 53 cents Canadian. American, I believe it's $169.36. I used like a little coupon code, which only took $3 off, so it would have been $2.27. The delivery time is 3 to 5 days. That's what they tell you, 3 to 5 days. I ordered it technically Sunday, but the money didn't come out till Monday, and then I got it on Friday, which to me, I didn't even know I was gonna get it the same week. I was expecting it to come maybe on like a Monday. So it came the same week. As long as you order it, I guess by Monday it will come in the same week. So they shipped it on the 23rd, and then I received it on the 24th. So it came like really fast. When you order it, they send you a confirmation just to verify this is the order you want, like the cap size and everything. They verify your address, so they have everything correct before they ship it out. They also messaged me on AliExpress and through WhatsApp to give me my confirmation so I could track it. To give me the tracking number so I could track it if I wanted to see where it was at. And they also send you in a message, just like the instruction how to take care of the hair. So, I mean, I was impressed by it. I was impressed by how fast it came and the quality of the hair as far as like how thick it is. So this is just the unboxing that I'm doing. In about 4 weeks, I'm going to do like an actual review. Like when I have it washed, curled, and I'm wearing it, I'm gonna do an actual review of what I feel about the hair. So subscribe to my channel if you want to be updated to see what I think and get my opinion, honey. I live for AliExpress. I found this buyer. I just go on AliExpress, I type in what I'm looking for, and I pretty much like filter it to see like pictures of what other people feel in other people's reviews. So I like to see a lot of pictures, and I like to see a lot of reviews about the hair, and that's typically the one that I would go for. So I probably go through like 10, I'll narrow it down, and then I'll just pick the best one. So yeah, this is it. I love it. I'm gonna put all the description below so you guys will have all the details on the hair. And for more details, like I said, subscribe, like my channel. Leave comments below if you have any questions and I'll answer them. So thanks so much for watching, guys.